Hi guys, I am Preeti and you're watching this video on love messages from the universe. So in this video, I will be sharing with you love messages that are specially meant for you, that the universe wants to send out to you. Now these love messages can be anything to bring more love energy into your life, to bring more love into your life, what you have to do, what you don't have to do. Is there any new person coming into your life, or what is the message for somebody new entering your life? It can be like for various amount of reasons, okay? But basically the bottom line is love messages that the universe wants to give you. Maybe the love messages for your love life, love messages for your well-being, love messages for your happiness. Okay, so this can be love messages for the overall quality improvement of your life. Okay, so I am going to share with you the close-up look of all the 4 options that I have shared here. So what you can do is you have to focus on these options and select one option that pulls your attention. Okay, you don't have to think too much, you don't have to know the meanings of anything, you just have to go with the attraction. Whatever is attracting you, just go with that feeling. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with the first option now. Okay, so there are going to be several things that are coming up. This is the first option. Now if you have chosen this option, then let's see what are the love messages coming for you. The first message that universe wants to tell you is, in order to bring more love into your life, in order to feel more love into your life, you have to let go control issues. So you may have control issues big time, and you may feel like controlling the people you love. It doesn't just involve your partner. If you may be single, you may be in a relationship, but it doesn't just mean for your relationship with your partner. It means for any relationship. And you might have realized that you do have certain issues. As soon as you start talking in a certain manner, you might feel that people just start getting repelled away from you, which you know that this needs to be fixed big time. So the first thing the universe wants to tell you is, let go of the control issues. And whatever situation you have at hand, just let that situation unfold the way it is naturally meant to unfold. Don't try to manipulate it, don't try to make it better, don't try to stop something if you feel that situation will turn out in a bad way. Don't try to control any people, don't control situations, and don't control anything out of fear. Okay, fear is not a good emotion to have. If you have fear, you cannot have love. You can either have love or you can have fear. So here the universe says, let go of control. People usually try to control. Whenever they have fear, they feel that things will not turn out that way, things will turn bad or something like that. The next card here, it says you may be going through certain, not exactly you may be going through, but the card says that whenever any tricky situation appears, whenever any situation that demands that is challenging, that demands a lot of attention, that drains you out of your energy, in this kind of situation you have this big time habit of becoming a control freak, especially the situation where you don't have any control over anything. So in that situation, the cards have to say that you need to just let go. You need to just let go and see how the universe is bringing things towards you. Everything in life is not going to fall in the way that you feel it should be falling. Okay, and universe does this to bring certain truths in your life. You may be unaware of certain truths, you may be unaware of certain facts in life which the universe has to work upon, and and to make you realize what the truth is. Okay, now this truth is also a part of the larger truth that spiritually people who are on a spiritual level, who are walking on the spiritual path, they are usually in search of a truth. So the universe says whenever you try to control any situation, you are keeping yourself away from the real truth. So allow whatever is happening, let it happen, and let just things unfold in a way that they want to unfold. And this is how you will be able to unfold the path towards the greater truth. Okay, one more thing, universe says whenever you get stuck in life, so see, all of these are different guidances, these are different points that when you practice these, whenever you consider these messages and work upon these messages, you will find that you will have more love in your life. So that is what the universe says. The universe says is whenever in your life things turned into a standstill, universe says just try to see that situation from a different perspective. And when you see things from a different perspective, it won't bug you anymore. Usually people get worried because they feel that, oh, this is a bad situation, I cannot handle it, this should not be happening to me. But when you look at that same situation from a different perspective, you may not find that situation at all disturbing. Okay, so yeah, so those are some things that you need to be doing in order to allow yourself to bring more love into your life. Also, universe says that you have complicated your life a lot. You have complicated your life such that you always try to, you might be feeling this, that the more difficult, that the more complicated, the more sophisticated your actions are, your plans are, you actually might make things that much beautiful. But the universe says that's not the case. You just need to keep things simple. Okay, simplify your life and you'll just be fine. Okay, eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. So this is what the universe says. Try to eliminate clutter. Anything that you don't need anymore, just try to give it away so that so that you can bring balance into your life. The next part says self-forgiveness is important. Whenever you feel that you don't have enough love in your life, remember to forgive yourself. Yes, people are prone to making mistakes. The same thing applies to you. You don't have to be hard and fast on yourself. That you cannot expect yourself to be super perfect. You can make mistakes, which is fine. And once you realize you have made a mistake, just forgive yourself. Next time when you have similar situation, try to improve your steps. Try to improve your actions. And you need to let go of the guilt, and you need to remember that you are God's child. So see, somehow universe is created by God, and that is where these messages are coming from. So whatever you do, see, whether you forgive yourself or not, God still accepts you. And how do you know that God accepts you? Because you're still existing on this planet, and you're still existing on this planet, which is why you're watching this video. So you have to stay assured that way, that even though you have made a mistake, God still wants you to give your life one more chance. Okay, the next part is universe also says that don't try to crack the entire code by yourself. You may have developed this over time, that you feel every problem in your life you just have to handle it by yourself. You have to get weighed down by everything. But the card says you can consult somebody, you can consult an expert or talk to somebody whom you feel has a good and considerable amount of knowledge on this area. So try to contact somebody who is an expert. Okay, now this expert can be like a legitimate professional, or this person can be a very wise person, that though they are not practicing that professionally, still they are very much aware of that topic. And yeah, so that is what you have to know. Now let's get into the angel cards. Angel cards, they say here are okay, so the universe wants to convey through the angel cards that your dreams are symbolic. So somehow there must be something in your dreams, that is going to be some kind of code, some kind of message that is hidden in your dream, which will help you, when you work upon that message, will help you to bring more love in your life. Now you need to be like you need to have a little bit of idea about how to decode your dreams, how to use your intuition. And if you're not aware of how to use your intuition, I do have a course on that. So you can just check it out if you are really serious about doing that. The next thing is, the card says, universe is saying that you need to see, there are certain things. The universe says that whenever in life you are having issues, you are having problems where you feel that you won't be able to handle it, the universe says that you need to ask, you need to ask somebody's help, you need to ask some expert to help you. You have to look at that situation from a different perspective. You need to think in a different way. See, when you are thinking from as we know that very famous saying that the color of the lens that you are wearing, that is how the world is going to appear to you. That is what the color of the world is going to appear to you. So this is what the universe has to tell you, that whenever there is a problem in your life, it is important that you actually try to research what that problem is about and try to understand that problem. Usually people don't understand what that problem is. Usually people don't understand what kind of the different characteristics, the different features, etc. And that is where you are actually just getting weighed down by everything. And the universe says that you just need to change your perspective. At certain times you will need to change your perspective. At certain times you will need to consult an expert. At certain times you will need to see things from a different perspective. At certain times you will require to accept what is happening. Okay, so universe says that when you actually allow yourself to do all of these different things, you will be able to bring more love into your life. The next thing is, universe says that, okay, now this would be like a little bit of a challenge to you. Universe says that you do have certain ego issues going on, and let me tell you what are ego issues. Ego is something that either flatters you, it either makes you feel something that you are extraordinary good than others, or it makes you feel very, very horrible. It makes you feel that you are the worst person. So you might have either of these issues on the flip side. So universe says that you need to balance your ego and just try to get over it, because your ego is making the things difficult. From all of these cards that we have seen here, the issue that you may have is getting too much weighed down by the negative voice of the ego, the voice of the negative ego, or the chatter of the monkey mind, whatever you call it. So that is what is weighing you down. And the final just see how beautiful this is, the message of love from the universe. Universe says that just pray for everyone. Pray for everyone, for all the good people, for all the people who feel that they are not good. But pray for everyone. Universe knows that you are eligible to get a lot of higher energies, but you are not getting it just because you may be differentiating that, okay, this person is good, I will pray only for this person, that person is bad, I won't be praying anything for that person. So try praying well for the well-being of the good as well as the not so good people. Okay, This is what will allow the universe to bring its abundant positive love energy towards you. Okay, so this is what the cards have to say. Let me know how did you like this reading, and yeah, so let's go ahead with the next option. Okay, so looking at all of these cards now, if you have chosen this option, this blue heart, then let's go ahead with the messages of love from the universe. The universe says that, okay, now here's a good news. Universe says that the abundance is going to enter in your life, and there are abundance in any way. There can be resources that people are going to gift you, or it can be money that can come your way, people who love you, or maybe through donations, or any other way possible is going to come to you, which is one way. The second thing is universe is sending you more energy so that you can speak your mind with confidence. Okay, now this is the card for that. It is sending you a lot more positive energy to make your to make up your mind so that you can speak with confidence and seek out professional advice. Okay, balance mental and emotional considerations. Okay, so first of all, this card does show that you may be very strong on your mental side or intellect side, and you may not be that stable on the emotional side, but the universe says you need to balance even your emotions, because all of that, when all of that stays balanced in a complete manner, in a whole manner, only then you can enjoy life in a wholesome way. Okay, so the next thing is, if you are holding on to a lot of maybe some sort of things that just bind you, some sort of belief systems or some sort of traditions. See, I don't mean to say that break the traditions or don't follow your culture. I don't mean to say that, but anything that doesn't serve its purpose, anything that you feel is not working for you, the universe says you need to free yourself from it. It can be relationships, it can be relationship which is not working for you. It can be a place that is not working for you. It can be people that's not working for you. It's same as the relationships, and it can also be situations that are no longer working for you. Okay, so the universe says you need to free yourself from these unwanted attachments. So I know that a lot of people are going to watch this video, and you know what is it that you need to free yourself from. Okay, whatever you can free yourself, I have covered all the different points. You know where you are binding yourself, so you can easily know how to free yourself from that. Okay, the next part is the universe says that there can be financial issues in your love life somehow, or maybe you are not able to love yourself, you're not able to love others, you're not able to love your life because you feel you don't have enough finances. So yes, as I said, that the universe is sending out some essentials towards you. It can be money or resources or even gifts. But the universe also has to say that love is not bound by things. Love is not bound by money. Even if you don't have money, you can actually express your love towards your loved ones. Even if no matter how much money you have, you can improve your situations. Even if you don't have enough money, you can still improve the people, the quality of life that you are having. There are certain people who totally suck, and if you keep these people with you, there are chances that when you succeed, they are still going to suck. Okay, so this is what the universe says, that what is good for you is always good for you, whether you have money or you don't have money. And what is not good for you is not good for you, even though you have money or you don't have money. So universe says that try to clarify this. Learn to differentiate this, that your love that you feel for yourself, you feel for the relationships you have, you feel for the places, people, things, is never bound by money. You can still feel money for all of those things. You can still feel love for all of those things, and You will still feel abundant in your life. And that is what, see, this is what is going to bring abundance in your life. The more love you feel, unbound by the restrictions of money, that is how much money you will be bringing in your life. How much, I hope that you get this. The more you can love yourself, the more you can love your life, the more you can love the people in your life, which is not bound by it's not bound by how much money you have in your life. That is how much money you will be attracting in your life. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you get it. It was like somehow it did sound like optical illusion. This was an audible illusion. Anyways, okay, the next thing is, this card says that you need to have some peace of mind. So this card did say that you are like, on your mental level, you might be feeling too strong. Also at the same time, the card also says that, see, no matter how much strong you feel mentally, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, all of these are certain areas that you will need to keep them balanced. So whenever, from time to time, try to take rest, try to give your mental life a balance. Try to balance your mind by tranquilizing yourself. So how can you tranquilize yourself? You can give yourself a good massage, go to a massage therapist or something, visit a spa, or you can do this at your home in your bathtub. So yeah, take time to be relaxed and be still and enjoy your solitude. So that is what the universe says, that as much as it is important to keep your mind and emotions balanced, that is how much it is required for you to know that you need to keep your mind also calm. There will be times that you will need to just you need to take a nap, you will need to relax, you will need to just let go and chill out. So yes, that is important. The next part is, the universe is sending you energy. Universe is sending you energy and upliftment, such that if you are not happy with your job, if you are not happy with your work, and maybe you might have lost your job or you are going to lose your job soon, universe says that it is sending you energy that will help you to become self-employed. Okay, you're born an entrepreneur, so this is the best time to grab entrepreneurship, and your business is surrounded by magical opportunities. So just in case, if you are already an entrepreneur, the card says that the universe is sending you a lot of love energy, such that there will be a lot of magical opportunities building up for your business. So there is nothing like that. The thing that we say that in COVID, lot of businesses have affected, but this won't be affecting your business. What the cards are saying here, the cards say very clearly that your business, universe is sending you positive energy. It is going to send positive magical opportunities to your business, such that your business will always keep running. Okay, the next part, the universe says that the magic that the universe is sending you, it is sending you, and you will be able to accept that magic when you are meditating. Okay, so meditation is important, and the more you meditate, the more this universal love energy you will be able to absorb. And yes, so when you meditate, the energy that universe is sending you, you will be receiving it in the form of solutions, in the form of healings, in the form of meditations, uplifting messages, anything. Okay, the next thing is, universe wants you to become your creator of your life. You may be fumbling over things, you may be searching, you may be craving for answers, and the universe has given you these much powers that you can be a creator for your life. Creator for your life in such a way that you are going to sculpt your life on your own, and you will be able to pave a path for yourself. And the more positivity you want, the more positive you can build that path. Okay, so yeah, that is there. The one more thing the cards say here is, You are under the influence of planetary energy. So celestial bodies might bring certain effects based on your karmas, use remedies. Okay, so the card says that the universe on the whole, it's actually sending you what your karmas are. So then the universe also says that the more positive karmas you do, the more positive the universe will be able to send towards you. Because yes, the influence of planets is something that people just cannot deny. You cannot if you don't accept this, that you are being influenced by planets, still the planets are going to influence you. And yeah, celestial bodies might bring certain effects based on your karmas. So you can actually use this both the ways. You can actually use this in a way that universe can send you more positivity if you are doing better karmas, if you are doing a lot of good karmas. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind. The next part the universe wants to say, the love message is this is like a very, very strong love message that the universe wants to send, which is you need to stop suffering. I know that you may have problems in your life, you may have issues, certain things might not be stopping and things might just keep going on and on and on. But nothing is constant in life. One joke cannot make you laugh for your entire life. The same thing applies with one sorrow. One sorrowful event cannot make you cry forever. So the same thing you need to remember here, that you may have problems, you may have troubles, but you have a choice. You can either smile while being with those problems, while trying to solve those problems, or you can be weighed down by sorrow and just desperately wait when that problem gets solved. And maybe that might be the only reason why that problem is not getting solved. The problem, it will stop bothering you once you stop getting bothered. Okay, when you start smiling even during times of trouble, usually troubles leave you very soon because they feel, oh, this person is not at all affected, that's such an insult, let me just leave from this place. Okay, so that is how the problems work. Okay, so this is the reading for your option. Let me know how did you like this reading, and let's get ahead with the next option. Okay, so now let's get to see what the universe wants to tell you. So just in case if you have chosen this option, this green heart, then let's go ahead and see what the universe has sent you as a love message. The first love message the universe wants to tell you is, in order to bring more love in your life, you need to start expressing your love towards people. Expressing your love is not always that you are just proposing to somebody or you're saying, oh, you love them. Not exactly in that way. Even when you express gratefulness, when you express thankfulness, when you express somebody, when you appreciate somebody that they have helped you, they have helped you to get free of some problems, etc. You are actually you're actually expressing your love towards them in a different manner. That still is going to be love. Okay, the second message the cards say is, the universe. Okay, now somehow this might be a very strong indication or a very strong wish that you might have, that you want passionate love life or a passionate partner. You may already have a partner and you may feel that you don't have passion in your life. So this card says that it's bringing passion into your life. Okay, the first thing, it is bringing passion in your life, and the second is, if there is a passion that is missing between you and your partner, the universe is going to instill renewed passion in your existing relationship. Okay, the love message that the universe also says is, you might need to revise certain plans. and at times it is perfectly fine. Usually it is like a myth that once you plan it has to be so good that it's going to be like a master plan, and yet you don't have to edit that plan, you don't have to alter that plan, you don't have to find an altering route. But that's not true. Yes, plans sometimes when mastered really well, one plan can go a long way, but not always. There are people, there are like businessmen, very very successful businessmen, that change their plan according to the current requirements of their country, of their company, not country. So so the same thing applies to you, that if your current needs are something different, then you might need to change your plan and try to first see what is actually happening, and then put the next foot forward. Okay, the next part the universe says is, you might actually need to make some time for people around you. You may be somebody who is very busy in earning money, who is very busy in earning and collecting money, but universe says that it is time that you stop messing around and take a sensible approach and try to deal with all the different challenges and try to help people around you, try to help them, try to listen to them. A lot of times, in order to maintain relationships, you don't always have to give solutions, you don't always have to try to be the helper in that situation. You just have to sit and listen to that person, which is also going to be a very very superly duperly good trick. The next is, universe wants that you surround yourself with positive people. Universe, this is a big time thing, because the earlier card that I saw here is, it does say that there can be some people around you who may be playing fool with you, so you need to be careful on that, and you need to you may be missing on the important points that you need to consider. And it is because the people around you, they are tricky, they are not, the intentions of them are not what they are saying, which is why the card wants that you need to start having company of more positive people. And let me tell you that in order that you want to change your company, as I told you, that change the company that you have, especially the people around you, you may have this notion in your mind that people who have good amount of money, they are good company, but don't try to think that. The card says that the people who are great thinkers, try to keep their company. People who are running crazily after money, who are just hungry after money, who are just hungry and who are just showy, that want to show their huge luxurious lifestyle, and maybe on the inside they might just be hollow. Don't try to run after those people. Run after those people who dream big. These people are somebody who are very very ambitious, and they don't want to show off much. Maybe they might not even have so much to show off, but their dreams themselves are so huge that it actually builds a considerable amount of energy around them, that is an enough, that actually builds a charisma for them, such that they don't need to show off. Okay, the next part is, there are these cards in the there are the cards, angel cards, that the universe has sent, and they say that it is time for you to awaken your Kundalini. Kundalini journey is something that it might be about to begin, or it has already begun, and you might be feeling certain vibrations near your root chakra, and you will need to find your guru, you will need to find your path. Now first you need to you need to find out what your path is, what your purpose is, and once you are very much well fixed on your purpose, that is when your guru will appear. Okay, that is when the guru is going to come into your life according to your purpose. And you might have it does say that your Kundalini might have already activated. The next part is, you need to stay focused and determined while you are working with anything, because at times, see, with the people that you had around you, the inconsistent people that you had around you, your focus and your concentration was very weak. The card says, the universe says that you need to build on your determination. You need to make consistent efforts and stay focused. This is what will bring you greater results. The same thing applies to your Kundalini practices to open your chakra. Okay. The next thing is also, it says that you need to keep your chakras balanced. Okay. If you keep your chakras balanced, you will require lesser medicines. Okay, you'll need less medicines. Your mind, body and emotions will stay balanced, and the more you stay balanced, the more your relationships and everything around you will stay balanced usually. And the main thing is said about your Vishuddhi chakra, your throat chakra. Your throat chakra is something that you need to keep it balanced, because you may be facing certain issues where you consistently you feel that there are misunderstandings with people around you. People don't understand you the way you understand them. People don't understand what you mean to say. They always take it in the wrong way. And if all of these are the different issues that you're facing, then you need to balance your Vishuddhi chakra, and you might need to alternate form of medicines in order to balance any issues that you may have, any issues health that is related to health, mind or emotions. If any issues you have regarding your mind, body or emotions, you can try out alternate form of medicines. This is what the universe says, because if you feel that you are continuously taking medications and still they are not working, try alternate form of medicines. And alternate form of medicines are homeopathy, Ayurveda, back flower remedies, a lot of different medicines. Naturopathy, Unani or Umami, I don't know. Okay, so those are different kind of alternate form of medications. So do try it, and if you try it, try to reach out to a registered practitioner even of these alternative medications. So this is what this option says. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this option? And now let's move to the next option. So the love messages that the universe wants to send, if you have chosen this heart, then let's go ahead and see what's happening with you. Okay, what are the messages that are coming for you? So the love messages, the universe says that you may be feeling romantic, and you may be feeling drawn towards somebody for whom you have romantic feelings, and you might feel like exploring your feelings. So the universe says that your feelings need to be explored, but at the same time you need to also be aware that don't get deceived. Okay, don't get deceived. And if you are exploring your feelings, just try to be very honest and realistic about your feelings, because sometimes people are just under the illusion that they are in love, which you don't have to be in. You have to be very well aware of if you are getting into a relationship. If you feel that you are getting deceived, that is the ultimate feeling that you are getting, and you need to respect your feelings. Okay, so yes, the next part, the universe says that universe is bringing more magic into your life. You can see that we have this magician here. Universe says that it's bringing more magic, and whatever you want in your life, whatever you want that it manifests in your life, universe is sending energy such that you can manifest. Okay, now manifesting is a process. You can either do visualization, affirmations, goal chart in order to manifest certain things, but yes, you need to make the effort. Okay, the universe is itself sending energy, but the effort needs to be made even on your part, and you need to first decide what you want to attract. And that can be that you want certain resources, you want whatever things that you require in your life. Just try to focus on that and then try to attract it. Okay, clearing away all that no longer serves you. So try to push away whatever doesn't serve you. and try to see positive in every situation. Okay, one more thing the cards say is there is a lot of positivity coming in your life, and whatever you want to manifest, you have to do it in with a positive approach towards life. You cannot be fearful, you cannot be afraid, you cannot be scared while you are visualizing to bring more love energy in your life. You cannot be feeling sad and depressed when you're trying to attract more money in your life. It's not, those two feelings don't coincide. Okay, they don't match with each other. The feelings, if you are asking for something positive, it has to be accompanied by a positive emotion. Okay, the next thing universe says, you need to heal your heart. So you may require to go to a healer who can help you in this healing work, or you can actually start healing your heart by yourself. And how can you heal your heart? You can actually heal your heart, as this says, that clearing away what does not require. So it can be when you have to clear your heart and mind. It can be things that are people that are not good for you, and things that don't serve their purpose, and things, plus even thoughts and ideas that you feel are not serving their purpose. You can just let them go and try to find something. Try to find a legitimate path. See, we see this path here. Try to find a path that is more legitimate for you. Try to stick to one path. Okay, see, in life what happens is, when you are attracted by certain things, you feel, oh wow, that is a good thing to do, that is a good thing to do. But try to stick to one path that you have chosen. Okay, and you are following needs to be continued. So you need to continue on the path that you have begun, and try not to change. You will get success with this. Okay, don't try to change it too often, and you will get success with that. The next thing is it is about consulting an expert, or maybe becoming an expert. So try to become an expert in something. As I said, just try to follow one path, and that one path can be one particular option, one particular way that you have to go forward. And the card says, universe says, try to be an expert in it. Try to polish yourself, get more and more polished into that thing, such that you become an expert in that area. Okay, the next thing is, whatever you have extra, unnecessary or unused, donate it to the ones who need it. See, this was also said here, clear away what no longer serves you. It applied to people and also to things. Here also the cards are saying, try to give away what's unnecessary. And it's not always that what is unnecessary to you might be junk for others as well. What is junk to you might be something that somebody is praying for. Okay, so don't try to be in that illusion that it's just waste and it's just garbage. It might be that somebody might be dreaming of having. Okay, the next thing the universe says, try to adapt to foods that are organic and chemical free. Your system will function better. So you will have more ability, you will have ability to absorb more love energy, to absorb more universal cosmic energy in your life, the more you stick to foods that are organic and chemical free and that are natural. Okay, so try to include more greens in your life. And do try to stick to a healthy lifestyle. Try to include more greens. Try to make sure that they are organic and chemical free. Okay, so this is what the cards had to say. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading, and make sure that you share this reading with as many people as you can, so that even they can know what the love messages say for them also. Okay, and keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, to share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.